to another planet come back. It's supposed to be a serious content film, लेकिन comedy लग रही है बीच-बीच में कहीं-कहीं पर. Did it play with your head, Shahid?
First of all, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for being here. And all these people right here who are the most beautiful people that I have seen in a while. Thank you for making all that noise. Thank you for supporting a promo which is not one of those typical entertaining, fun promos and giving it as much noise as one would give any other film promo. So thank you for that. Udta Punjab was quite an amazing journey. Abhishek and me met. He thought that no mainstream actor would ever want to do a film like this to begin with. And fortunately, he had the Phantoms who convinced him that maybe he should try. And so, very reluctantly, I think, Abhishek decided to approach some of us for the film. And I was fortunately the first one that he came to. And he narrated the film to me. And usually I take time to say yes to films. But I just stood up, I shook hands with him, and I said, I've never heard a part like this before. And I would regret it for the rest of my life if I let this one go because I didn't have the guts or if I didn't have the conviction or the courage to take up something which I have no idea how people will react to, but it's the most amazing opportunity as an actor. And it was just a script that I felt was a story that was very, very honest. And I felt it was very, very new. And I felt that it was very strong. And it was saying something that I think everybody should think about, especially today's generation. It talks about substance abuse, and I think very few people make movies about that. And he was able to put together a film which I felt was a film and not like a documentary. So Tommy Singh is the scariest character I've ever played because I don't even drink alcohol, so I don't even know what it's like to be high. So I have really no idea what somebody who's high is going through. And so
I helped him there.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I had no idea how I'm going to do it, but I just felt like it was a challenge I needed to take up, and I think I've already spoken too much, so yeah, that's it.
It doesn't look like you don't drink alcohol in that film, of course. I mean, it is something else. I feel intoxicated without even, you know. Anyway, coming to Kareena Kapoor Khan, I want to ask you this question, and congratulations to Kian Ka. I shouldn't be talking about it, but congratulations. Either way, with Udta Punjab, it's a character which I don't think we've seen Kareena Kapoor Khan do. It is serious, strict, teacher type.
Thanks for making me into this strict teacher, but it's not. But to just cut it short,
please clarify.
I would just like to say that I'm just very, very honored that Abhishek Chaubey thought of me in this role. It's a very, very special role. It's short and sweet, but I think it's effective, and I'm happy I got to work with a wonderful director and a visionary who actually has put this film on celluloid, where we talk about it, we make documentaries on it, like Shahid said, and we, drugs is wrong, drugs is this, drugs is that. There's a lot said about it, but a film on it and such wonderful actors together. I mean, I think we should hear it for Abhishek Chaubey.
Woo!
And thank you, Ekta. It's my first collaboration with her and not the last. The Phantoms have been amazing. So thank you for this amazing journey in my career.
Super stuff. Now, Alia Bhatt, we're coming to you now. With every film, you're just, pleasantly shocking us. Not even a surprise. Alia, did you even figure that when you saw yourself, makeup agar ho gaya uske baad mein, could you even recognize yourself? Do the Bihari migrant laborer that you did and the kind of abusive language that you had to use and the kind of stuff that you had to go through, what went in your head when you got the role and you did it?
No, firstly, I have to thank Abhishek firstly also to thank Shahid, because I think because of him is why Udta Punjab even came to me in the first place. And then obviously Abhishek thought that I could pull it off. So I don't know, I just went with the flow. I went with his vision. I wanted to be a part of this film. As Kareena also just said, it's a very important matter, and to put it out there as a full feature film with such a wonderful cast together, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. And yeah, I wanted to play something different. And I just hope people buy it. Yeah, that's my only worry and concern. That's it.
Otherwise, we'd all say, "Ho gayi na, pa."
Coming to Diljit Dosanjh, can we please hear it for him? कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, no dialogues necessary. सिर्फ the fierce eyes that you look at the characters with is enough. and of course, I mean, the script which is so strong. So, जब आपके पास ये script आई, तब आपको क्या लगा कि हाँ ठीक है चलो कर लेते हैं, या फिर you thought चलो let me take some time and discuss and decide and then get back to Abhishek?
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Thank you so much guys. मैं इस लायक नहीं कि स्टेज ते खड़ सकां, but thank you अभिषेक सर, हनी सर, जिन्होंने मैंने पहला फोन किया इस फिल्म दे लिए, और फैंटम फिल्म्स, एकता मैम, तो करीना मैम, इन्हां दे नाल खड़ के फोटो कराउणी मेरे लिए वड्डी गल है. उन्हां दे नाल स्टेज ते खड़ना मेरे लिए बहुत वड्डी गल है. सो ਇਹ ਫਿਲਮ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਫਰ ਹੋਈ, ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਰ ਨੇ ਸੁਣਾਈ, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਐਂਟਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਇਸ ਫੀਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਔਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਤੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕੇਗਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਟਰਬਨ ਬੰਨ੍ਹਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਰੋਲ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਟਰਬਨ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਲਈ. ਬਟ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਸਰ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਤੇਰੀ ਲੁੱਕ ਦੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪੈਰੀਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਣਾ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਹੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੱਗ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫਿਲਮ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਇਹੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ.
So honest, so sweet, so humble. Can we please call, see, good content reaches only through good producers. And can we please call upon Ekta Kapoor?
आपका कंफर्ट जोन है उससे काफी अलग है. लाइक आप यो स्टाइल में दिख रहे हैं, उसका लहजा अलग है. आलिया का एक बिहारी लहजा हमने सुना, करीना एक डॉक्टर के अवतार में, और दिलजीत भी दिख रहे हैं. आप लोग प्लीज अपने किरदार की जो तैयारी थी उसके बारे में जरा बताएं कि
Alia, how did you learn Bihari for this?
I have to go first?
Yeah, go first. I'm always good.
Okay. नहीं तो obviously तैयारी तो थी because I don't know बिहारी, और मुझे वैसे डायलॉग इतने सारे नहीं है मेरी फिल्म में, बहुत ही मैं कम बोलती हूँ, बट जो भी वो भी जितना भी बोलना था वो बहुत बोलना था in that one flow and had to look natural. So I think what 1-1.5 महीना we sat and did the dialect coaching. Had a very nice dialect sir, Pankaj sir, who I have to thank immensely, because of him is why I have the dialect. Or of course for look or prep, then I have to give credit to Payal, our costume designer, and Abhishek sir, who put the look together so that I could look Bihari.
Yeah, Tommy Singh, when I heard this character, the first thing मुझे ये समझ में आया that it has to be nothing like me, and I didn't want it to be anything like what people have seen. तो हम लोग reference में बात कर रहे थे because it's a Punjabi pop star. Obviously, he is an addict. He's a substance addict. So he needed to look very different from a regular guy. वो तो बहुत काम किया बॉडी के ऊपर.
शो बॉडी को देखो ना. हाँ. इतना जो काम किया है.
लेकिन मैं नहीं चाहता था कि it shouldn't have been the kind of body that a bodybuilder or somebody who's very healthy has. It should look like the body of a person who's abused himself and who's, you know, so anyways, उसके ऊपर काफी काम हुआ. मेरे और अभिषेक की काफी मीटिंग्स और बातें हुई बालों को लेकर. ही वॉज वेरी स्कैर्ड कि ये पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है बालों के साथ और ये मेरे रियलिस्टिक फिल्म की बैंड बजा देने वाला है. सो वी हैड अ फ्यू मीटिंग्स एंड फाइनली इवन अभिषेक हैज द सेम हेयर स्टाइल नाउ. सो none of us are complaining. But apart from that, I think the most difficult thing was to get into the head of a character like this. कि वो कैसे सोचता होगा, क्यों वो जैसे बिहेव करता है वैसे बिहेव करता होगा, क्यों वो इतना एक्सेंट्रिक और इतना पागल है. क्योंकि इस तरह के कैरेक्टर्स जो इतने लाउड होते हैं, मैं यूजुअली लाउड कैरेक्टर्स कम करता हूँ. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक द फर्स्ट टाइम आई प्लेड सच एन एक्सेंट्रिक कैरेक्टर. और उसके साथ बहुत थिन लाइन होती है बिकॉज बहुत आसान होता है कि वो बहुत फेक लगे या बहुत लाउड लगे या इरिटेटिंग लगे या आपको मन करे कि यार मैं ये बंद कर देता हूँ, ये इतना इरिटेट कर रहा है, मेरे हेडेक हो रहा है. सो उसको बहुत ऑनेस्टली पोर्ट्रे करने के लिए काफी वक्त बिताया मैंने अभिषेक के साथ, समझने के लिए कि कोकेन एडिक्ट्स जो होते हैं, जो एडिक्ट्स होते हैं, जो चेज करते हैं कोकेन को, वो इतने हाइपर और एक्सेंट्रिक क्यों होते हैं और क्या चलता है उनके मन में. So it was a very difficult journey. I don't know if I've achieved it, but the approach was to try and find some honesty in that space.
I think I followed Abhishek's and Honey's vision, who also came to read a few of the scenes that I have. And I think I'm a director's actress, so I follow whatever my director says.
मैं तो इतना नहीं पची जितना दे दूँ.
अभिषेक, ये काफी गहन मुद्दा है पंजाब का और अभी हमने एक सर्वे भी देखा था तो सबसे ज्यादा ड्रग्स वहां ली जाती है घर घर में. तो इसको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए आपने एग्जैक्टली क्या प्लान किया था थ्रू द फिल्म?
नहीं, हमारा हमेशा मोटिव यही था कि ये एक मुद्दा है और ये काफी सीरियस मुद्दा है. और जब मैंने ये फिल्म कंसीव की थी तो मैं और मेरे राइटर सुदीप शर्मा, हमें एक बात पता चली कि नेशन वाइड ये डिस्कशन हो नहीं रहा है. और ये पंजाब हमारा नॉर्थ इंडिया का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेट्स है और वहां पे यंगस्टर्स इतने ज्यादा ड्रग अब्यूज में हैं और नेशनल लेवल पे इसका डिस्कशन नहीं है. तो ये फिल्म मेरे लिए एक जरिया था इस इशू को नेशनल लेवल पे लाने का. दैट वाज माय प्राइमरी मोटिव टू मेक दिस फिल्म. और इसको इस तरीके से लाने के लिए, नेशनल लेने के लिए, ये बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ मेरा फैंटम के साथ और बालाजी के साथ ये एसोसिएशन हुआ बिकॉज दे वर एबल टू क्रिएट सच अ कास्ट फॉर मी, to give such a canvas to the film. जब ये फिल्म आएगी तो ये एक नेशनल लेवल पे डिस्कशन इसका हो सकता है. And I think that's what my purpose was to make this film.
Hi Shahid, Alia, Kareena and Diljit. This is Urvi here from Pink Villa to your right.
Hello, hi.
Pink Villa.